Welcome to my channel MySakhi. If you want to make instant and delicious Aloo Matar Bhaji, then try this recipe. This dish is very flavorful, easy and can be prepared quickly. So let's start the recipe. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. So first we will take a pan. In the pan we will add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we will add half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. As soon as the cumin is added to hot oil, it will start to crackle. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and garlic. Stir fry the ginger and garlic until they turn light golden. Once the ginger and garlic are fried to light golden color, we will add 4 finely chopped medium-sized onions. Along with this, we will add 2 dried red chilies. Now we will fry the onion on medium-high flame until they turn light brown. Keep stirring continuously while frying. The onions would take about 2 minutes to fry. So here onions are now well fried and have turned light brown. Next we will add 3 finely chopped tomatoes. Make sure to chop the tomatoes finely so that they soften quickly. We will cook the tomatoes on medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously. I have used enough onion and tomatoes here for half a kg of potatoes. But you can adjust the quantity of these ingredients according to your preference. The tomatoes are now well cooked and soft. Now we will add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, and a half a tablespoon of homemade garam masala. Also add salt to taste. Next we will add half a cup of water to the spices so that the spices can fry properly without burning. Mix everything well and fry the spices on medium-high heat, stirring continuously. You can adjust the quantity of spices based on how spicy you want the dish to be. We will fry the spices until the oil starts to separate, which should take about 2 minutes. Once the oil separates, we will add about 1½ glass of water. Here I have already boiled and peeled half a kilogram of potatoes. We will mash the potatoes with our hand and add them to the gravy. I had added little turmeric powder while boiling the potatoes, which is why they have a yellowish tint. I have mashed all the potatoes and added them to the gravy. Then here I have also pre-boiled the peas until soft. So we will add them along with the potatoes. Now we will add half a tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 finely chopped green chilies, and a little coriander. Mix everything well. If you feel the gravy is too thick, you can add little more water. After mixing the potatoes and peas, let them boil on a medium-high heat for about 1 minute. The potatoes and the peas have now cooked well with the spices, and here we have our very delicious and easy instant Aloo Matar Bhaji is ready. If you are looking for something quick and are out of ideas, definitely try this Aloo Matar recipe. It turned out very delicious. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.